Hello everyone. Welcome to Idea Bunch. As mentioned in the previous video, today I am going to show you how to create a simple 3D logo easily. I am using a hand-drawn 3D sketch for this as in the previous video. This method will show you how to trace a sketch. In this tutorial you will learn how to trace this hand-drawn sketch and create this 3D logo. If you are not subscribed to the channel yet, subscribe now and press the bell button for the upcoming videos. First of all, let's draw by pencil. You don't need measurements for this. Just draw roughly, because we can take measurements through Illustrator. Then scan, or take a photo of the sketch and copy it to your computer. Now, let's get started. Open the sketch from Illustrator. Now draw the rectangle to suit middle one using Rectangle tool. Holding Shift and rotate it to 45 degrees. Now move the rectangle onto the sketch. Give a color like this to give them a clear look. Draw like this using Line tool. Here I reduce the capacity of the image to get a clearer look for the line. As we want to keep the same measurement, so I get a copy of this lines and move it. Let's reflect the copy obtained from the Reflect tool to move it to the other side. In this way I make these lines a little longer. Well, now we can clearly see that the measurements and lines are drawn more accurately than the hand-drawn sketch. Now I fix the joints using the Joint tool. Here I group the all items. Here I check whether the all joints are okay with the Shape Builder tool before adding colors. Now I add the colors like this to get the 3D view. Remove the strokes. Finally, have created a 3D 3D looking geometrical logo. Now you can put the name and background as your choice. Well, then create your logo by this way, and if you learned something from this video, leave a comment and share it with your friends. In the next video I hope to bring you an introduction about basic tools of Illustrator. So subscribe the channel now to watch upcoming videos. And press the bell icon. Have a good day.